In a large pan, cook pasta per bag instructions. Add oil to the pasta to make it not stick together. Once pasta is done, rinse the pasta in cold water. Pour the water out and set aside. Turn the pot on medium heat. Add milk, chicken broth, heavy cream, and garlic to the skillet. Season with salt and pepper and bring to a simmer. Add the Parmesan and stir for 3 minutes. Remove cream sauce from pan and set aside. Add butter. Cook the chicken until 80% done. Add salt and pepper as well. Add mushroom and pasta and stir for about 3 minutes. Take the chicken Alfredo sauce and stir in slowly. Cook for another 5 minutes. Eat it with parsley and more Parmesan if needed. Serve hot immediately and enjoy! This is the final results of the chicken Alfredo. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I've included the link below for the recipe. Yummy!